Hey guys, my name is Elizabeth Such, and today I went ahead and created this eye look using the newly launched Stellar Collision palette. This palette features a lot of different shadows and highlighters that can be used individually to make a foiled effect on your lid or as a glitter topper to build on your everyday look. We encourage you to be bold and create your own Stellar Collision. The newest addition to the Stellar family is our Stellar Lash Mascara. I love this mascara because it adds volume and length to the tip of your lashes so it won't look thick or clumpy. Taking my signature rose gold brush number 7, I'm going to dip into this green shade and apply that to the inner corner of my lid. Taking the same signature rose gold brush number 7, I'm going to dip into the light blue shade and apply that to my outer lid. Taking fan brush number 8, I'm going to dip back into the green shade that we used and apply that to my lower lash line. Taking the same brush, I'm going to dip into the lighter blue shade and apply that to the outer corner of my lower lash line. Taking our power pencil in the shade Teal, I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply our Stellar Lash Mascara. And here you have the finished look using our newly launched Stellar Collision palette. Don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics so that we could see your looks.